This video is a review of how to round answers correctly using significant figures. So the first type of problem that we could run into is an addition and subtraction problem. And in these problems, we're going to do our calculations like normal and then round our answers so that the number of place values matches the number of place values in the least precise original measurement. So for example, if we look at the first problem here, the example problem, it says that we have 25.1 and we're adding 3.02. We do see that this is an addition or subtraction problem, and so we're going to type this in our calculator, and our calculator tells us we should get about 28.12, but we do need to look and see if we round this number. In our original numbers, we can see the first number is rounded to the 10th place, and the second number is rounded to the 100th place. So the first number, since it only has one digit that's listed after the decimal point, has a less precise measurement than the second, which has two digits after the decimal point, meaning that we're only going to keep one digit and round our answer to the 10th place. So our correct answer here should be 28.1. Our second type of problem is a multiplication and division problem. In multiplication and division problems, we would round our answer to the same number of significant figures as whichever one of our original numbers has less significant figures. So in our first case here, in our example, we have 25.1. This time it's being multiplied by 3.02. And so once again, we're going to type in our answer from our calculator, 75.802, and then we're going to round. This time I need to look at how many significant figures are in each of our numbers. The first number has 3 non-zero digits, and so it's going to have 3 significant figures. Our second number has 2 non-zero digits and a trapped 0, and trapped zeros are significant, so all 3 of these are going to be significant figures. Since both of those have 3 significant figures, that means we need to have 3 significant figures in our answer also, and then our answer should be rounded off to 75.8. If I'd have had a different number of significant figures in each of these, say if my first number had only had 2 significant figures and my second would have had 3, then I would have rounded my answer to 2 significant figures. But in this case, they agreed, and that means that I didn't actually have to decide which one to go with. I just had to make it match.